Well, hello there. Welcome in for a second session for making the song request overlay for Lumia stream. We're gonna have to figure out some stuff, so we will gonna do that. Let me just fill this in. And I'll need this one to be filling the other side, right? Yep. There we go. No, that's good. So where we were before, we have already, knowing that it's working with YouTube, unfortunately, but I had to remove the song to be played on YouTube because we got down a lot of copyright claims. Video was blocked. Twitch didn't like it either, but at least I have a solution for Twitch and Kick. But for YouTube, I do not have a solution. So on YouTube, we're gonna be this kind of song playing over and over, even if your guys are actually requesting it over there. So I'm sorry about that, but I cannot do the issues that YouTube provides. So we don't want the channel to be deleted, right? We don't want to get copyright strikes and then our account to be permanently removed. So I'm gonna just have it on Twitch and Kick. If you want to listen to the music that you're requesting, it's gonna be on Twitch and Kick. So we're gonna go back into our overlays, into the song request, and we will gonna continue working on it until we're making it perfect. Right. So one thing that I want to actually do first, let me bring on this one as well. This is the current overlay. And the issue that it has, I think it has 2 less seconds for it to be able to search. So what I'm going to go and do, it's actually increase that number of seconds. I think from the data, it's not from the data. Okay, so it's just from the JavaScript, it's placing the seconds. So where is those seconds? Switch search YouTube. Oh, wait, search YouTube previous. Okay. Individual instance. I don't think I have that. It should be had been here. Oh, it does. It is here. Comma separated. So it's searching on this. What's this in the first place? Okay. So it looks like this is certificate invalid for this one. And what about this one? They're both not ways to actually search. Yeah, so this one, it's not even found. So both of these websites over here, they're not working. So what's the piped video? Oh, so this is a search. Let's see. Oh, thank you for the like on YouTube. So the piped video doesn't really work. It does not load anything. And this one, it's a bad gateway, so this doesn't work. So let's actually tell it in the chat that, hey, this is not something that it's working. All right, so I prompted the AI, and I said that those things are not working, and we're trying to actually find a different way than those searches to return our YouTube video links, because that's not working. Yeah, use the YouTube API. YouTube API. We need to create a Google. Okay. And use the official YouTube data API v3 for reliable search directly from the overlay. Perfect. Why didn't do that from the first place, right? Well, changes summary, no code yet. Add a config field, YouTube API, paste your API key here, replace a search helper call. I do think that we do already have an API. That'll be cool if we can actually use Lumia stream API. But I don't know how many requests we're going to be able to do. So let's see.
XX underscore Darth Kira underscore XX is the first chatter and has been first 3 times.
Darth Kira! Welcome in, buddy. This is your print. You're the first chatter. How are you doing, Kira? Yeah, we actually printed out our first chatters. And also the first time somebody enters in the stream on Twitch. You like it? I think it's pretty dope. I think it's pretty dope. This is done with the Lumia stream with the thermal printer. I'm gonna place it here with the other ones that were already printed for the guys. Everybody that comes in my chat and types something for the very first time on the stream, we're gonna get printed out. Same goes for bits donation. Bits donation are actually here. Well, not bits donation, sorry. Gifted subs. And this will gonna turn you into a stream legend. As you can see, this guy, which is Kugel Blitz, just donated 10 gifted, like last stream. And he got himself in the place of honor over here on my desk. I'm gonna keep it there. Gonna keep everyone there that gift subs. Short answer, no. Lumia Stream doesn't expose a built-in YouTube search API to overlays. No system variable, YouTube search docs. Okay, so we can actually get our own. All right, so guide me to get YouTube API v3 API key v3 key. I think it's actually going to be given for everybody. Let me actually sync. I think it needs to be on developer. YouTube API v3. And I think I'm already a developer on their side. Join the Google Developer Program. What best describes you? I am a developer. Would you like to receive emails from the Google Developer Program for new features, events, badges, content, and research? Yes, please. Sign me up. So we need to get an API. Can I use my API for everybody? Welcome to Google API. I just got the notification on the phone. Complete your profile. City, town. There we go. Name. Oh, I have to create the profile. Oh, I don't have to edit it. I have it here. Why do I need to edit it? DevFest, Google Developer Groups. Find an event or group near you. Oh, there's one over here. Linux Install Fest, Rumikubulcha. That's all it is on Romania? Darn. That's only one YouTube event inside Romania. Look at how many are in Europe. So how many are in Germany? Oh, look at this. 25 events right over here. 22 events over there. 2 events in Munich. Nuremberg, 4 events. Then we have 5 in Berlin, 2 in Hamburg. Darn. I'm living on this side of the country, okay? I'm living on this side of the country. We need more YouTube events near us. So, yeah. About communities, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so page info. Close. Okay, products. And we need YouTube, right? Where's YouTube? Chrome, Android, Jetpack, Android Studio, blah, blah, blah. Servicing the integrations, identity, Google Play, Google Chrome extensions, platforms. I want YouTube. Okay, what this guy said. Go to Google Cloud Console. Okay, let's go with that. Happy Saturday, Kira. Happy Saturday. I'm drinking a beer. Chilling out. This doesn't work. Create an API for public search list. Get help. But why I do have here... Okay, let's search again. Bam, bam, bam. We're offering support at the same time, so if somebody newer light integration. Why, guys? Told you before, if it doesn't have like Wi-Fi support, you're not gonna be able to do anything. Why this doesn't load? What? Nothing works on here. Let me close Discord and open it again. We have some serious issues over there. Wow, now I got all the Discord notifications when I just logged in. I think Discord went down. It doesn't load. Update failed. Is my I'm still alive? Yeah, I'm still streaming. That's fine. So YouTube down. Oh, my internet went down. How the hell I'm still streaming, but my internet is down? That doesn't make any sense. So my stream is here. It's fine on Twitch. It's fine on YouTube, right? Yeah, that's fine on YouTube as well. Excellent connection. And the same goes for Kick, but I cannot load anything. Check your DNS settings. Contact your network administrator. I am the network administrator. That's funny. So Lumia is still working right now. Test. No. Something is off. Something is off on my local area network. Yeah.
Welcome to Radu.
What the heck is going on? I think I need to restart. So it says that I have internet access, but my thing here says I don't have internet at all. So how the heck I'm still live? I think that's why I'm not seeing the messages, because it's not really going through. But on these pages, I see that my message come through. Weird. Can I reload this page? Yep, I can reload this page. And it's bringing up the stream back. So I don't have an internet. This is gonna be hideous. What's my username? I cannot even grab my username because my internet is down. Oh, looks like we're back. Yeah, that was just a glitch. Glitch in the matrix. I'm still not having the right speed. Now Discord opens as well. That was weird. And I didn't do anything to fix it. Bam, 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 bam. Oh, look at my upload. I'm rock. So just a few seconds and I uploaded 710 megabytes. Let's redo the test. Download is off quite a bit. Upload speed, it's right on where it should be. Now it's going down as well a bit. Okay, but now we have access to our thing. After 1 or 2 uses, it stops working? Really? I do not believe that for 1 second. Stream fog actions. Activate lens. Test. Hello. Chubby face. Am I actually using the right thing? Let me double check. Stream mode. Top live. Stream cam. Yeah, I'm using their camera. Test action. Okay, I'm gonna try to contact the guys on StreamFog. Oh, they're on stream on TwitchCon. So they're not gonna be responsive. That's fine. So that's gonna help him. Right. So StreamFog doesn't work. But you guys are either very, very quiet. You don't want to engage with me. Or something is wrong on my side. I see no messages. Can I refresh this page? Or this page? Oh, internet went down again? What the heck? What the heck is going on? This is way in the past. Yeah. I don't know what's going on with my internet today. I'm sorry, guys, if you are experiencing a bad stream. I'm sorry. I don't know. It's terrible. Yeah. Wow. But it's still saying that I'm good on connection on anything. Didn't miss a frame. Is there a way to say Lumia is start and animation, turn off some lights and don't use? Yeah, even my messages are not sending through. I think I'm gonna have to call this stream Yeah, internet went down again. What the hell is going on? Give me a second. Reconnection successful. There we go. At least we're back on Twitch. Now we're back on Kick. Now we're back on YouTube as well. So, still low on that thing, but it's working, I guess. Yeah, no, it's working fine. Okay. So that we're gonna fix his issue. What's with the guy on the general chat? Why this didn't work? Resend. Okay, so we're back, right? We're actually back. Twitch is back. YouTube is back. And Kick is back as well. Good. Good thing. Okay, so we are trying to do... So that doesn't work. And we'll need to go on YouTube API key request. Obtain authorization credentials. There we go. Google API console. You're working on my first project number. Computing. Add people to your project. Try Gemini. Okay. I want... Let's see it. So these are the requests per second that we have. And we have compiling moves. Project number, first project. I don't think I'm allowed to share the API with you guys, so I will not gonna do that. Just want to see where is my API. APIs and services. I'm gonna move this one to a different place. Sorry for that, but we need to do that just to keep my privacy settings fine. So credentials, web client. So I placed my tgradu.com to actually be a client. So I place it on my website. So we're gonna have to create a new one. Okay, my first project. I'm gonna go with a new project. Song. We're not gonna call it song request. Gonna go with Lumia stream overlay. No organization. And we're gonna go and create it. Okay. So we can create credentials, API key. Application restrictions, non-API restriction, don't restrict key. API key 1, authenticate API calls through a service account. We don't need that. So let's create the API key. when I have my API key. Restrict your API key, delete unneeded APIs, view documentation. All right. API key created, documentation, managing API keys, blah, blah, blah. And we got ourselves into Google Cloud SDK over here. So now we can actually do API calls. All right. So that's fine. We're going to copy that. I'm going to close it. So I have the API key over here. Doesn't show and doing anything. That's perfect. We don't have to show the key. Okay, so default project quota, it's 10,000 units a day. That's good. Search list costs 100 units per call, example 100 searches a day on default quota. So 10,000 a day for a song request on my song request, that's totally fine, right? But what about the other guys? They will not know that they can do it. If you need more quota, you can request an increase after passing YouTube's compliance checks. The default is 10K per day. Okay, that's the default. Oh, I went live again. That placed me live again. There you go. On Putash. Alrighty. So, oh, got a mail. Your stream latest report? Oh, for the last one. For the last stream. That's fine. So this created a new stream. I think I have to get this one in a call. He will not gonna know that he is gonna be live with me. Live support, guys. Live support. Support, it comes first before we are actually doing anything else. The community is actually first priority. So while I'm going to have him here with us, I'm not going to talk with you guys in the chat. We're just going to focus on his issue, right? Well, hello there. Hello, hello. I'm not. Yep. Sure. Take your time. All right. So can you actually share your screen?
I can, just 1 second. Screen share. There we go. It's that one that I wanted to share, isn't it? Oh no,
I'm gonna need your entire screen. So.
All right. Okay. 1 second. Let me close that down. Let me start again. I'm not. I'm a little bit of a novice when it comes to this, but I do get there in the end.
Yeah, when you click share screen, you have like applications tab and then share like screens tab.
Yeah, entire screen. There we go.
Yeah.
That's the one. So it'll be that one there. Yeah.
Yeah, I can see it perfectly. So
Okay.
bring Lumia here and also your browser on this.
Okay. So
Perfect.
we've got Lumia there. Yeah. And
Yep.
my browser.
Yep. Okay. And now go on Lumia and try to add TikTok.
Yeah. Okay. So we go down to connections.
Yep.
Add new connection. Down to TikTok.
Yep.
Next.
Connect.
Connect.
It's going to authorize it.
It's
and wait.
got log.
And wait. Now this one has a pop-up blocker. Refresh this page.
Refresh this page.
Yes. And click allow you. There we go.
There we go. Connection successful.
Click OK and place your username for
Click
TikTok.
OK. TikTok username.
Click OK. And you're set up.
And it's there. Do you know what, mate? Thank you very much.
No, there's a lot of by default. Most of the browsers right now block the pop-up, so that pop-up that says allow to actually send a message back to the Lumia stream, and the only way to do that it's refresh the page.
Refresh the page, right?
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. Listen, I've been trying that for well over an hour now. It's been driving me mad.
Well, I'm glad I could help.
The first ones I tried, and then I went through the others. I did TikTok first, it wouldn't go. So then I did Twitch, that went straight away. YouTube went straight away. Kick went straight away. StreamerBot went straight away. My Tapo plugs went straight away, and I was thinking, right, okay. And in between each one, I tried TikTok again, and it was like, no, fuck. Right.
Yeah,
thank you very much.
It happens on some pages as well. It's not just TikTok. Sometimes it's Twitch. Sometimes it's YouTube. But it has the same issue. The browser basically blocks your pop-up to send the message back that hey, I got authenticated correctly. Here's the connection successful.
Yep.
And it doesn't send it. You just need to refresh that page.
Do you know what? That's lovely, mate. Thank you very much for your help. And you were so quick as well. Straight on it. Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you.
A great one.
All right, then. And you have a good rest of the day.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye now.
Oh, that was quick and easy, right? I need to fix something before we continue over here. So we're going to go with... Right. I need to fix something. Give me a second, guys. All right. I don't know who decided to activate another membership on my billing pay for Netflix. So I actually stopped it. Okay. That was weird. Okay, if that happens, I have to resecure my account. All right. So back into our overlays. We are free to go. We're gonna disengage on Discord over here because we don't need to be. Well, I actually can be on Lumia team over here. Nobody can actually get to me except, you know, the urgent ambassador stuff. So okay. I got my API key. We can proceed to modify the code. I'm gonna have to let people know how to actually make and get their API keys. Because what we're doing over here, we're going to search and play songs directly from YouTube. We need to replace the entire JavaScript tab, and I think we have a tab for the API key, right? Okay, he's cooking. He's cooking. Bam, 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 bam. Let me get this out of the way because we don't need them there. Bam, 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 bam. Oh, Blitz, you're there. Why am I not seeing your messages? Why the heck I'm not seeing your messages? Why I'm using Lumia in multiple places? What? Oh, I know why. Oh my god. I'm sorry, Blitz. I'm sorry. I didn't saw anybody's messages on Twitch and on YouTube. Look at my screen. It's red over here. Everything is red. I cannot see anything. So I'm going to try to turn it off and turn it back on. Okay. And because I changed my stuff, I'm not using Lumia in multiple places. I just lost internet connection and got it back. Could not connect to Hue entirement. Yeah, I know. How are you, Blitz? I'm sorry that I missed you there. I'm really sorry that I missed you there. We were having some issues with our internet, and it went down for quite some time, and I was expecting to have the messages on Twitch, but they were not coming in. So now I know why. So I need to reset this connection. Press the button. Shut up. There you go. And we're gonna need Wiz as well because they changed their IPs. I need to make them static, so they will not gonna change. Those two are fine. Let's go next. Refresh. This should turn on, right? And now, yeah, I'm still saying that Lumia it's in multiple places. Yeah, looks like it's fine. Connections, Govi, LAN. This will gonna be 1 Yeah, they changed. So we're gonna go next and refresh. So Govi it's set, and we need Nanoleaf. And Nanoleaf it's actually a bit trickier because I have to actually disconnect it. Don't ask me why, but that's how it works. And yes, I am wearing my shorts again, okay? I am wearing my shorts. All right, refresh and then restart Lumia entirely. Quit. Oh, light effects. I didn't connect to light effects yet. YouTube Live. There we go. 3 likes on stream. Thank you. Now I see that it works. Darn, I didn't get any messages while this was on. So light effects. Light effects needs to connect again. Let me see if actually Twitch works now. Test.
Radu is the first chatter and has been first 201 times.
Yeah, thank you.
Welcome to Radu.
I was the first chatter, and also I sent a message. That's fine. Okay. Last reset. This panel doesn't actually turn down. So Wiz, I'm gonna have to disconnect it as well. But this doesn't require a Lumia restart. Bam, 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 bam. All right. Now we should be back up with everything, right? Let's test it with a default state. Yeah. Oh. Curtain doesn't go off. My curtain didn't go off. All right. So let's go back to our theme. Discord is working fine. Good. Let's send to all platforms. Test.
Radu is the first chatter.
Yeah. That thing works. Both panel works. This shit doesn't work. All right. So Govi. Govi land. Yeah. I got myself. Oh, this is blurry. It's the first time it went blurry. That's fine. Smart curtain lights. Let's search again. Okay. And we're back all together. And we have here the YouTube API key, that API v3. This one was already placed, so we just need this one. And we're going to place it in our code, in our overlays. I'm going to make the song request to be actually moderator approval as well. There it is, API key, save. Oh, I need a comma over here. And now I have data API. Why you place it like that? Text, it's input, buddy. Save. There you go. Now I have the data API. You're not going to be able to see that because I'm going to make it not shared. Okay, now I can actually place my API key over here and save. And also I will need the entire JavaScript to be replaced. JavaScript tab, replace everything. Save. Good. Now I'm going to save that. I'm going to refresh on my end. We're going to close this. I'm going to make sure that we're starting audio. And now we're going to request down with the sickness or party starter. Let's actually go and search on YouTube. Party starter. Prodigy. Okay, let's copy this and add it into our chat. SR. I don't want to get the link. I want this one, the Prodigy Firestarter. Why you're so fast on saying the YouTube result? Couldn't find it. That's not well. That doesn't end well. YouTube region code US. Do we have that in our overlays? So YouTube region, it's search region. Okay, you changed it, you fucker. You fucking changed it again. YouTube region code. And this is input. Why did it place text? I don't know why it did place text. YouTube search region US. It's already there. Save. Right. Let's do that again. I'm going to leave it open because I don't want to close it a couple of times. Just to find it out. So let's copy the clipboard. Let's place it back. That's so fast responding that it's not there. Search timeouts. Okay, so let's actually give it. I am trying to search for trying to play using, but it still doesn't work gives me this message. YouTube API, make sure that the key is spaced, no spaces, and saved. Key restriction, if your HTTP refer restrictions, OBS or the source often send no refer. For testing, set the key to none, unrestricted, or switch to, okay, I already set it to non-restricted. Okay, and code enable, right. I have enabled and coda enabled. Try this normal browser, replace your key. Okay, so I'm gonna just copy that and replace it on my key. Gonna have it placed on a different browser because I don't want to make my key publicly visible. So let's see. That's my key. YouTube data API v3 has not been used in project before, or it's disabled. Enable it visiting, blah, blah, blah. Then retry. If you enable this API recently, wait a few minutes for this action to propagate to our system and retry. So maybe it's, I got permission denied. That's what I got. That's why it doesn't work. I got permission denied. So we're going to recheck our API key. No, it's not here. It's on the other page. All right. The other hidden browser that you guys cannot see. All right. Do I have 3 of them? No, I have just 2. Okay, so I have clients, overview, and this is not my first project. This is Lumia Stream Overlay project. Oh, I need to get started. App name, Radu's overlays. Okay, my email, audience, internal only available.
Welcome, Rex.
Rex, good morning to you. Thank you for being a chatter over here. This is a weird logo. That looks great. Looks great on paper. How are you doing today? We're still debugging our song request. And we're actually going to go and make it to use YouTube API to actually do the search when you're not introducing the URL for the YouTube. I'm getting my receipt printer delivered today. Super excited. Which one you got? Which one you got? Hope it's a wireless one. Yeah, that's what I'm working, and I'm hoping to be finishing it. Well, for example, if you type SR followed by a YouTube URL, that will gonna work fine. But I want it to also work when you're just typing, I don't know, Prodigy Firestarter. So I want it to also search YouTube database and then get automatically the song. That's exactly the one that I have over here. That's exactly the same one. Moonbin model. So I'm gonna say that work's gonna be working real nice. It's super fast printing. It's having auto cutter, and it has a Wi-Fi. It's absolutely everything that you need. Replace the helper. I don't need to replace the helper. I think it's just because I have to finish my my issues with my key. So, for example, you can use your SR followed by the YouTube URL. It's working absolutely flawless. It's working fine. The problem that I have, it's for this one to be able to search, the user, the streamer has to have a YouTube v3 API key. And I can guide you. I can make a guide how you can get that API if you want to add it into your thing. But yeah, we're gonna be an extra step from normal. What's happening on Discord? I want to turn off all room lights and only use the effect lights. Well, you will have to include those lights. I'm doing also live support right now for Lumia. Having YouTube will be great. I have chatters requests from YouTube regularly, but it doesn't work with Songify. Yeah. And if I was able to get Govi LAN to work, I'm looking forward to getting more lights now. I can guide you through Govi LAN. I love Govi LAN. As you can see, this band over here, this rope, it's actually Govi LAN. This is also my my curtain lights that are also Govi, and they are both placed on LAN. And because of that, I can actually do like cool things. Like if I go on studio and go on animations, I can go on. Well, let's go with this one.
Oh, you gotta give him that huck and spit on that thing. You get me?
Well, that didn't work right away. I want to show you the really fast ones. So of course the curtain doesn't really work as well because it's not as fast as the rope, but the rope, it's absolutely brilliant. I love it. I love the rope. But I didn't go back to the default state. There we go. For some reason, sometimes it's getting stuck there. And I'm getting another 5 meters of rope V2. This is rope V1 from Govi. And I'm getting a rope V2 coming in next week as well. Which ping pong launcher do you use? It's a cheap one. I can actually show you the one that I use. Amazon.de, because I'm in Europe. And I can show you exactly the one that I bought, which is this one. That's the one that I'm having right now. It's costing $30 plus shipment, but yeah, it's absolutely fun. I didn't connect it to Lumia. I just have a smart plug, and then I'm turning the smart plug on when I want to launch a ball, and then I'm turning it back off to stop it. And that's it. It's not a smart device, so you have to make it smart with something. So a smart plug works wonders. Okay, back to our issue with our API. So we're gonna use it only available to user within your organization. We're not gonna need to submit your app for verification. So yeah, it is internal. I cannot use internal because you're not a Govee workspace user. You only make your app available to external general audience users. What? I'm just making it normal. Next, contact information. Okay, create. I'm gonna be sent to. I don't think I even need to. I don't even need our authentication overview. Okay. So this is on test. API. No API on test. Lumia stream overlay project. API. Add remove scopes. So it's not that either. My first project. It is my first project. No API to show. Your sensitive scopes. No non-scopes. Data access. Clients. That's on my first project. Lumia stream overlay. No clients over there. Don't need to create a client. I don't need to. Audience. Publish app. Add users. Authentication user cap. Okay. App information. Radu overlays. Blah, blah, blah. Overview. I don't have notifications. Select project. I'm sorry, I'm not really well. I can actually show you what I'm doing here. I'm working on Google Cloud on their API service, and I'm gonna create an API for it. So Matrix Explorer, of course, I didn't call anything, so there's nothing. But alerts, logs, reporting. Where's my API that I created? Billing account management free trial. I'm on free trial. Okay, so I'm on this project. $300 remaining credit. I am not needing to go here. Go back to Lumia overlay. You are in free trial. Okay. Activate full account, add users, add budget alerts, review project spent. I just want to use your API, guys. Edit code online with Cloud Shell, write applications with Cloud Code, manage resources with Cloud SDK, build an architecture. This is not what I want. Okay, I'm on the project. APIs. No data. Okay, so enable APIs and services. Maps SDK for Android, JavaScript places. API v3. There you go, YouTube. Enable. Okay, so I have a public API. And I need to actually generate one. Filters 1v3. Try an API Explorer. List posts. Oh, okay. So this is their API documentation. That's fine. And credentials. I do not have an API. Oh, I do not have an API. View credentials, visit credentials and API services. I do not have one. No API created. Okay, so I need to create an API. Create credentials, API key. None do not restrict. And we're going to call it Lumia overlay. Create. I'm going to have to move it around because that's going to provide you sensitive information that I don't need to share with you. Okay, close. Now I have that API key. All right, so it's unrestricted. Now we need to go and place it in that browser for the API key and see if it's actually working. Yes, it does work. Good. Okay, so now we can go into our overlay over here and click save. And I'm going to just place my API key over here and click save. You're not going to be able to see it. I'm sorry. I'm going to close this one. And we're going to refresh our song request in OBS. And let's try to actually do the call. Let's copy that. It works. It freaking works. You're not able to hear it right now, but give me a second. Rex WFH, thank you for the 5 gifted. Oh, ouch. Thank you so much. We actually made it work. Ow. We are using the YouTube API key. Ow. Ow. Oh, that was exactly in my mouth. This is throwing 3 balls for every single sub gifted. So that'll gonna be 15 balls in my... Ah. Oh, darn. I'm gonna have to... Give me a second.
Rex gifted 5 tier 1 subscription.
You just become a legend of the stream over here. Thank you so much for gifting the 5 subscriptions, buddy. We're gonna be here with Blitz on the place where you belong. And we have also a hype train. God damn it. So now we're playing Prodigy. Okay, try to request a song. Just type exclamation mark SR followed by your song that you want to actually search. We need to go into fuse mode. That works. I'm sorry, YouTube. YouTube will not gonna be able to hear the songs. If you want to listen to the songs, you need to go and follow me on Kick or Twitch. All right. Will you push this to the beta updates today? I need this. What, the song request? The song request will gonna be available on your overlays. You just need to download the overlays. Not will not gonna be inside Lumia. It's gonna be inside overlays marketplace. Let's go. So I don't need to wait for Lumia to do an update. It's gonna be already over there when I'm finishing it. And now then your song request will gonna come in. Oh, this one is from Kugel Blitz. He has it as well. Love it. We killed it. We killed it in 1 hour and 26 minutes. Let's go. Choo choo. So that worked even better than I expected to work. First try after making the API key. But you're gonna need to make the API key as well in order to work. I'm gonna have to place like a guide inside the overlay on how to make it work with the search. How much of your 300 credit of this request use? None. You're gonna have 10,000 requests per day. That resets every single day. So it's 100% free to use. Everybody can request an API key from YouTube. It's a bit complex to actually request it, but I'm gonna make a guide for it. I just need to add a few more features to it, like I want it to be placed in mod queue first, and then to be approved over here in the queue. You have this mod queue that you can place, and then you can actually introduce it in the mod queue. So perfect, that stops. Now it's just reacting to my background music that I have. Let's go ahead and go back to our default over here. I'm using a theme to set everything up. We cooked it. We absolutely cooked it. Darn. Thank you for the gifted subs, by the way, Rec. Appreciate it. Good. So now we can do song requests by just placing the name of the song. And we can do via URL. When you're doing with via URL, it's not actually using the API v3. It's not using the API calls. We're gonna be directly taking that URL and just placing it in the song list on the request. So that works nice. The issue is I would actually do it right now, so I can go on overlays and just share it to make it popular on Marketplace. Oh, I don't want to share it like this. I will gonna have to remove my API key from here. Okay, so I can actually share it like this, make it public, log custom code, song request YouTube. Accept requests, SR YouTube URL. Okay. SR song name will need API YouTube. API v3 key to make that work. So I can actually just save it right now. The problem is we have a issue right now on things, and I can actually not see it that it's pending approval. I cannot accept it myself. So I'm still gonna have to wait for an admin to actually make that work. Because yeah, there's nothing coming in right now on the uploads. It's just saying pending approval over here, but I cannot make it public right now. I'll just gonna have to actually talk with one of the developers in Lumia to actually make that available for everybody to use. But we're gonna be there pretty soon. I'll just make sure to place a good description on how to actually add that inside and how to get your API key from YouTube. Because right now, you see that I have here API key. I don't want to show the key, but because everybody will gonna use my key, and when I want to actually use it, then I'm not gonna have enough API calls left. The nice thing about it is you'll never gonna need to refill anything. You're gonna have 10,000 calls per day, and I think it's more than sufficient for any kind of streamer, even like a very big streamer. They do not really need. They will not gonna have the stream to be able to play 10,000 songs in that particular stream. That will gonna be way too long, right? So let's just place a short math over here, and if a song it's like 3 minutes, multiply by 10,000, which is the calls that you can do on the API, and then divided by hours, which is 60, you have 600 hours. So that's a lot more than 24, right? Because so you have 500 requests that you can do, 500 hours of songs that you can actually call. And you're never gonna run out, because every single day you're gonna get another 10,000. For example, Lumia, when you're connecting to YouTube and grabbing the messages back, we have just one API, and it's capped at 2 million. And we sometimes reached the cap to those 2 million because we have over 100,000 users right now that are using the Lumia stream. Unfortunately, not so many are actually premium, but hey, maybe they will gonna go and support us at one point. But yeah, that's actually perfect. That's exactly what I wanted to make. And we actually made it done in two days, which is sick. So I started yesterday playing around with it, made it work for the YouTube URLs, and now we actually made it work for also just typing in the name of it. So if we're going, for example, to another song, let's go Voodoo People. And I don't want to play it. I just want the title of it. I know that the URL will work if I place it over there, but I just want to have the title. And if I go in my chat and say SR, the Prodigy Voodoo People. Oh, I removed my API from the overlay. Oh, darn. Because I published it. So that's why it said that it couldn't find it. Well, it's a good test. Let's try with the URL. Now it should work with the URL, right? So SR URL. That works. So let's skip it. Okay, so, and now let's open it back. I don't know why the first song doesn't work. I have to fix that as well. Now let's place my API key back. There you go. Save. And now let's interact. Okay, let's request the first song, which will never gonna work. I don't know why. We're gonna fix that. So let's place a URL. This will not gonna work. Actually, it's there, but it's not playing, right? So that's the issue. Okay, and now let's do SR Voodoo People. It's added there. Love it. Hey, Kira, welcome in. Love it. Where I can find the printer overlay, I don't see it in Marketplace because there is none. I'll show you how to install the printer after the song. Let's go. Let's pick the balls. Let's stop it. We can pause it, play it again. That's nice. And skip. Still gotta play the song, apparently. If there's nothing left to play. Okay, so let's turn back to default. So what I'm doing for the printer, you have to create your own overlay, okay? So you're going to overlays, create a new overlay. I have mine over here, down here. For example, this one is for the one for the chatters. And I have created a background. I placed the logo inside, made sure that it's centered, and this player avatar over here, if I select it, you see that I can modify it, and I want it to be placed over here in the center. of it. And when you're fine with it, I'm actually, when somebody chats, I'm actually going to show you. So I created my own design. And what you need to know is to get your name exactly like you typed it in the overlay. Right? And after that, on my commands, I have here, not on commands, on my alerts, I have here on the Twitch entrance, I created 2 Lumia actions. One, I place a delay, so it has the time to actually place that avatar. I placed 0.4 seconds. You can go with more if you want to. And after that, on the send printer action, you place your IP address for your printer, and then you're using the overlay screenshot. Here I'm placing my overlay, and because it's a thermal printer, I placed thermal over here. Otherwise, we're gonna look like all of them are gonna be dark, it's gonna be black, so you don't want to do that. You want to make it a thermal printer because it has some functionality that will gonna make these things look pretty sick, right? You can actually see where it's gray, where it's black. You can tell the difference from those two. And then here is just printer type. It's gonna be image, and we're gonna save it. And how I'm placing your avatar, it's here in the manage overlay actions. What I'm doing is I'm setting image content for my overlay. And I choose the layer that I had over there, and I'm using the avatar of the user over here, which you're going to find it in the variables. You have avatar, the URL of the avatar for the sender of the message, which we're going to replace that image for the person that actually chats, in my case. And this, of course, takes a brief time to actually update that overlay. So that's why I have the delay on the other side. So you can do custom designs of your overlays. I do have some. Maybe I'll work with a designer of Lumia and actually add some. We have this one, for example. This is the Lumia Stream Basic that they are actually placing it. And, well, actually, I created it. They just gave me the image, and here it's I want to place the name of the donator. And for example, we can add another text layer. And we're gonna place it to be black. And let's make it about 45 in size. And this is gonna be the event. We're gonna be basically bits. Right, so bit sending, testing, and here we're gonna be the amount of bits. So, for example, if I save this one, let's actually do a short test. I'm saving this one, I place bits over here. This testing is gonna be the bits donator, the one that I want. This is the avatar for the bits that will gonna be placed over here. And this is the image for my background. And guess that's pretty much it. Oh, and the bits amount is over here. Okay, so if I save this one, I'm gonna go and copy it. Oh, somebody joined over here. How are you doing, Blitz?
Hello there, my boy. How far art thou, sir?
I finished the song request. You can go in the chat and type SR followed by the song without placing a URL, and we're gonna automatically play it.
Dude, I just uploaded my PC. I didn't know you were still alive, bro. I just changed. I am so sorry.
No, I am sorry because my Lumia, I had like internet issues, and my Lumia disconnected from the Twitch chat, and I didn't saw when you came in, so I didn't even notice that you came in. I saw you after that.
Okay, well, no one's ever said that to me before.
What?
That they didn't notice when I came in. Never mind.
Oh, darn.
Wait, I'm recommending a song, bro. I'm recommending a song. Give me a quick second. Hey, man, it's really cool that you're sorting this out, because like there's so many people. I know a lot of people want Spotify and things, but like so many more people have got YouTube Premium, and they would just totally be able to.
They don't even need premium. They will not gonna have ads.
What? They're not gonna have ads?
Yes.
Oh, dude, that's phenomenal.
So
Welcome Google Blitz.
you place the URL, Blitz, not the URL. Just place the name of the song.
The name of the song
Yeah.
still
So-
worked though.
Yeah, of course it works.
He still. Oh, he still works. Job done.
Yeah, right now but if you place the URL, it works without the thing that I did, but now it works with also the without placing the URL. You can just place, for example, Patrick Topping make me happy, and we're gonna automatically search it.
Ah. If I send you something, would you tell me if it's any good to put on the marketplace?
Yeah, well, right now we have an issue with the marketplace.
Oh, okay.
I cannot upload anything to marketplace, not even me.
Damn. Why?
There's a bug. There's a bug.
What's the bug? It's not a marketplace. I mean, it's what's it where people put music and stuff and
Give me a second. Let me place the music a bit down. Well, at least on my side, because I cannot hear you.
It's a good song though.
I still have to make it when I skip the song to actually stop the current song. Right now, if I skip the song, it will gonna go to the next one. If there is no next one, we're still gonna play the previous one until it's finishing. So I need to fix that as well. Did you saw the messages I sent you for Flussy?
Ah, well done, bro. It's great. Hey, GG's, man. Make someone's day there, like really have.
I think Throne actually delivers it to her after the completion.
Yeah.
So that's how it works, right?
Yep.
That's cool. I'm so happy that I finished this one. I know that people were requesting it a lot, and I wanted to add it to Lumia, like integrate directly into Lumia. But there is a problem with integrating directly into Lumia. The problem is that it will gonna use the Lumia API queue even more for YouTube, which was already at a limit with 2 million. And with what I did, if you want to place just the URL, will work without even having the API. But if you add your API, you can request one for free on. Everybody can request one for free on YouTube and have like 1,000 API calls for free. And I counted if a song has 3 minutes, they're gonna need like 500 hours to complete that API. And the nicest thing, it resets every single day for another 10,000 calls. So basically, you can have unlimited calls, song requests with this one on. Okay, now just the type SR followed by just the title of the song. See? I don't know if it's the one that you requested.
Yeah, it is.
It is? Darn.
I just want to see if it's gonna swear. Here we go. Let's listen. My rendering thing's stuck at 94% for some reason.
So it works.
Yeah, boy.
Love it. And it's also right now it's not saying the URL anymore over there. It's saying actually the title of the song and also who requested it.
Dude, that's a game changer, man. Everyone does Spotify, but like YouTube is so much more popular.
I'm actually calling the API from YouTube Music to do it. So I don't need like videos. Did you set up your printer?
No, I've been out for the weekend with the family and stuff, but I had a nice meal, went and got some clothes and things. I'm rendering something to try and send it to you right now, but it's stuck on 94%.
On what? On After Effects?
Yeah.
All right, give me a second. I need to get some water. Be right back.
No worries. Oh, it's fucking crashed.
I'm back.
I need to close this from Task Manager because it's literally crashed everything. I was doing too much. My Task Manager won't even open. My Task Manager won't even open. Fuck.
All right. So that worked absolutely marvelous. I mean, I can send the API key. I'm not going to be able to use it, but I think it's going to be, if there's a lot of people that are using it, then my API will going to reach the limit. So if I go here on the API and I go on the not billing because we're not paying anything. Where is it? Cloud overview, dashboard. Let's go on dashboard. You see the API request over here? How fast they respond in like 0.02 seconds. And this is what I'm charged. So I'm not charged with anything. You're not going to be charged with anything and either. They don't even have my address or like card or anything. And we have here explore API keys. I can see the APIs, more options. No. Yeah, 0.025, which is very fast. And if I go on activity, I can see the calls of it, which is over here. And I have 17 API calls. I don't think it's even here. Log Explorer, Trace Explorer, Cost Explorer. Cost Explorer, it's 0. There's nothing on the Cost Explorer because I'm not using anything paid. Logs Explorer. No logs. But where I can see the metrics. No metrics data. Application monitoring. Now let's go back to our hub. Quotas. Okay, so quotas. Over here on quotas, it should show how many quotas I used. So quota per day. Current usage percentage 7%. How's that calculated? So YouTube data be free. Current usage 700 per day. Queries per minute, queries per day. So how they're doing the calls, how they're doing queries, how much it costs, like. So it's 700. Let's try another one. Let's do another one. Let's see how much it's actually using for one call. Okay. That's still 700. I don't know actually how this. I see all codeouts and system limits are free. More than 90%. I don't have any more. Beautiful's like diamonds in the sky. Diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond.
Welcome, Bodazen.
Bodazen. How are you doing, buddy? Thank you for coming here, buddy. That's your logo printed out. We cooked something really good in Lumia, which is song request. Just finished it. Bright like a diamond. Shine bright. Oh, the Twitch subscriber didn't work. Oh, darn. I forgot to remove that shit. So give me a second. Subscriber. And I have here advanced code placed. Darn it. So I'm sorry. The balls didn't throw over there. Thank you for the sub, buddy. Thank you for the sub. I really appreciate it, but I didn't got hit in the face with the ball, so I am going to actually do that right now after turning it back to normal. So default state, let's go back to theme. I'm gonna run back. Yeah, I didn't stream too much. I was very busy. So if I redo it.
Bodazen just subscribed with a tier 1 sub.
So that worked. The problem was that I had some code before for the printer and that's not used anymore and I forgot to remove it. So that's why it didn't work on the first try. Yeah. And now we can actually request if you want to join Discord, join lobby. I'll pull you in. I'm in Discord right now. In Lumia team. But you can join lobby and I can pull you in if you want to talk, chill out. This is a dev stream, basically. So we already kind of finished the dev stuff. And we were actually trying to do something with a printer with bits. I'm making food with wifey. She says hi, by the way. Hi, wifey. How are you doing? What you're cooking? Send pictures. If you're not sending pictures, then you didn't do anything. I'm not believing you that you're cooking. So I need pictures. Send pictures. Okay, so we wanted to actually do some bits printouts. So we're gonna go and say delay first because we want to get the avatar. I'm gonna place it to about 0.8 of a second. It's the cherry pick. Then print, send to printer, and we have here 192.168 .4.120. That's my printer address. Overlay screenshot, and this will gonna be I don't have it. Let me add the action like that. Click done. Go and grab my overlay name. Okay, let's go back to alerts, Twitch bits. Edit this one, and this is this overlay, print basic, and then thermal. All right, and now we're gonna have to image content on the simple. No, it's basic. Printer basic white layer. We're gonna be avatar.
Welcome,
Bits.
Celtic Pac-Man.
Hey, Pac-Man, how are you doing, buddy? How are you doing? Thank you for becoming a chatter for today's stream. I'm gonna place avatar. Add action. Click done. And we need also the username, right? So text, overlay, symbol, base. Oh, it's basic. It's actually the last one. Print basic white. And it's gonna be bits donator. And it's gonna be the username. Add action. Click done. Click refresh. And we. Oh, it's fine. So it has some code as well. And I think we cooked this one as well. So every single bit that you are actually... ooh, we got picture. Oh, she's cooking muffins. Kind of something muffins. Salty muffins. Oh no, they're sweet muffins. With blueberries. I'm a fool for blueberries. Send some, Budanism. Send some to me. Now I'm making all the chat hungry right now. Look at those big blueberries. Those blueberries, right? Darn. All right. Can somebody send one bit? I know that I'm sounding foolish to request bits, but I need to test this out. Can somebody send one bit to see if my printer works? Unfortunately, I cannot send my own bits. We can bring the song further up. I would if it was working. What, the bits?
Bodies and cheered 1 bits. They said I legit.
You're legit. Creating... Oh, crap. I forgot to do the most important thing. Is to get the overlay. So that's why I have these errors over here. I have to place the overlay into OBS. I forgot about that. Darn. Okay, copy that. Studio mode. Printer overlays. The new one. I'm gonna call this bits print. Okay. Right. And we need to move this one out of the screen. Nobody needs to see that. And okay, now you can do it again, please. Please. Sorry. Just need one bit.
Bodies and cheered 1 bits.
Haha! And now you have bits, but then is end. And then it's 1000? What the hell? Give me a second. I think something gets off in the overlay. I didn't place the bits amount. Oh crap. Okay. So back to the board bits. I think I misspelled it. It's amount. And over here I have the bits donator. Oh, I need another text. Text. Print basic white, and this is bits amount. I forgot to place the bits amount as well to be actually replaced then. Okay, now it should work. Now it should work and say not 1000, okay? Not 1000, should said 1 over there. Can you do 1 bit again?
Bodies and cheered 1 bits.
There you go, 1 bit. 1 bit sent. And print it out. And it has this kind of a portion of Lumia over there on the top. So yeah, you have to place the overlay that you created inside your OBS. And you can throw it out of the screen. It doesn't really matter. It just needs to be opened. And I created just like a scene that I'm including over here. And it has all of the overlays that I have
Bodies
over there.
and cheered 10 bits.
Now you're testing it. Yeah, it shows 10 bits over there. Thank you for the bits, Bo. So I bought 100 and we're gonna do some testing. Do me a favor. Type exclamation SR followed by your song, your favorite song in the chat. Because we created something else, which is song request. And that should work absolutely marvelous. So exclamation mark SR, you don't have... So it worked. It's worked with Spotify URL as well. Yeah, the cam goes as well. And we can do the lights to go as well. Let's do it. Let's do a shout out for Bo over there. He's my pal. Give him a follow. Give him some love. He's liking those scare jumps.
Bodies and cheered 50 bits.
$50 bits. Let's go. Man, you can do so many things with Lumia. I love it.
Bodies and cheered 7 bits.
You're feeling those bits, huh? I actually need to do something for your sub as well, because all the subs are legends as well, not just gifted subs, right? So let's do that. Where's the subscription? Subscriber. Let's go. Love those emotes. Thank you for using them. Good. So now let's see if it works with the Spotify, which is up next, right? That was the Spotify URL that you placed. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Bam, 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 bam. So that's done. Now here, the bug. Okay, I'm gonna replay your stuff. Oh, I missed some chat. So does this work with YouTube Music? Because that's what I have, and that's why I cannot set up sound requests on my stream. It doesn't work with YouTube Music because the player is created from scratch. So you don't need YouTube Music, you don't need Premium, you don't need anything. I'll show you how to do it. You're not gonna have ads on it. So if I go right now and do your subscriber alert.
Dazen just subscribed with a tier 1 sub.
I have an error on it, so it didn't work. Need to tweak it a bit. Oh, crap. Really? That why it didn't work. I have to do it again. Okay, we're gonna do it again. Ow. Ow. So the code worked now.
Dazen just subscribed with a tier 1 sub.
Stream Legend. I add you to the Stream Legends over here. Right. Ooh, who's back?
I have returned. My computer crashed. I'm so sorry.
Oh,
I have something for you to test before you leave your stream. Its files are too large to send to you on Discord, so I am busy compressing it into a zip file.
no, you can go into WeTransfer.com. Place there if it's less than 10 gigs, and then just send me the URL.
How do I tell how many gigs it is? Properties. That's fucking 5 gig. What the hell? Right.
It's uncompressed.
All right,
That's
so
why.
WeTransfer.com.
Yeah.
Have you got a link for that? Because like,
Yeah, I can send you the link.
thank you.
It's exactly what I said. WeTransfer.com.
Is that too many gigs to put on Lumia?
I'm gonna convert it. I'm gonna convert it. I'm gonna be like 2 megs maximum. I'll make it in a WebM format.
All right. So what do I do here? Once I'm in here.
Once you're in there, you would want to click accept or reject. You can reject everything, and then you click add files. You have to place your email.
Add files. We've got a Lumia here. Google Mid. Okay, now my email.
Yeah, we're gonna just be your email, and then you're gonna get a link while it's updated. Skip to the next one. It's about Lumia anyway. Oh, Lumia parody. I know about it.
Backbone.
Lumia
Why
land.
does it 3 days?
That's your speed.
The hell? All right, what now? Who am I transferring it to?
You're giving the link to me on Discord. No, that's not Sam. That's Kugel Blitz. That's in the call right now in Discord. Pac-Man. Oh, this is made by Sam Wilson, right? Yeah.
I think I added the file.
Yeah, I know the song. I listened to it.
Dude, it's not working. I can't add a file. There we go. Add file. Back one. Want to send bigger files. Hey, big sender. Clan meets. Maybe it's too big.
Do you know how to convert it into WebM?
What's a WebM?
A very compressed file for streaming without losing quality.
Compressed to. I can compress it to a zip file.
I don't know if it makes too much difference, but you can try.
All right, this is going to take like 48 years. So, like
48 years.
Yeah, I'm going to give it a go. I really wanted to just get it before you ended stream. Sorry. Some cool stuff.
I'm so glad that I finished this one today with the YouTube song request. Cannot imagine how pleased I am. Because now it's working with everything. It's working with Spotify URLs. If somebody sends a Spotify URL, it works with just typing the name inside. It's working with YouTube URL. It's working with everything.
I've got 7 minutes left. I'm sorry. You can just end stream if you want. Every time I see Pac-Man, he's always putting my emotes. That's so cool.
Yeah. He does. I think he's a sub to you as well.
Yeah, he must be if he's got the emotes. Thank you. I'm not so dear. What the fuck?
So that was Sam Wilson, the last. Oh, ow!
The last what?
Ow!
I remember the Sam dude. Ha.
Blitz! Ow!
Take it. That's what you get. That's what you get. Stop moaning, bitch. You can't go ahead and make something and moan
Subscribe with a
about
tier
it.
1 sub.
Right, I'm gonna run to the bathroom, and I think this will be finished by the time.
Okay,
by the time I'm done. Alright, 2 minutes.
Thank you for the resub, buddy. Well, somebody requested it, right? Dirty computer. What? Okay, so songs finished. We can bring up the other music that we have for the background. Music that also goes on YouTube. Okay. And check if you don't have some empty space inside. Yeah, people need responding for the support. That's prio 1. Then what we're doing over here, it's something totally different, okay? Since we don't have any music playing, we can actually go back to our default state. There we go.
Bodies and cheered 30 bits.
Oh, thank you for the 30 bits. I think you're done with your bits. You completed your 100, I guess. Yeah, right. But thank you for the bits, buddy. Appreciate it. And thank you for testing it out, because yeah, we needed to make sure that this thing gets working properly, and it's looking like it does work properly. So some of the overlays, like you see this one, it's powered by Lumia Stream. At the end, this is going to be placed on Overlays Marketplace, so people can download them and use them if they want to. Some of them are not going to go through the marketplace because most of them that I have are personalized for me by Blitz. Okay, so
Okay, all right. Can I email this to you?
I don't think you're allowed to send emails more than 10 megabytes.
I can do it. Yeah, I can.
You can?
I can. Yeah. With that,
I'll send you my email.
If you don't mind. All right. So if I compose this and then I attach this and that. All right. It's 3. It compressed it to 3 gig, 3.6 gig. I'm waiting for it to upload on there now.
Oh, from
God damn.
It compressed to gig. Oh, it was limited to 5 gigs on WeTransfer?
No, on WeTransfer, it's 3 gig, and I still can't. Yeah, you can get an increased limit, but you have to pay for it.
Oh, give me a second. Send files up to 10 gigabytes. You can place it on Dropbox, and I can download it from there, or from your Google Drive. That'll work as well.
Yeah, I'm uploading it on the Google Drive now. Yeah, I'm doing it on Google Drive.
Yeah, I think that works better.
God damn.
What?
I was really hoping that I'd be able to add this to the HFX. But I think 5 gigs too much to add to the HFX though, right? Oh, it has to be 200 MB. Damn. I just wanted to see if I could make something quick and easy, and maybe start doing all of that shit, like adding it for people. Well, it's quarter of the way through, bro. I'm sorry for keeping you.
Well, I'm streaming. I'm just chilling out. I was actually thinking that I was not gonna be able to finish it tonight, but apparently in 1 hour and 20 minutes it was already completed.
Well done. It's going to be a game changer, man. It
Oh,
really
it
is for a
will.
lot of people.
It
I'll have to
will.
add it to my channel and that.
But yeah, there's not really too much things to do on the stream tonight, guys. I thought it was gonna take it a lot longer, but I'm done. Can you make Lumia stream work with Asus ROG Delta Animate headset? That would be cool. Do we have any Asus integration? I don't think so. No, we don't have any Asus integration. But isn't Asus ROG connected to the armor crate? We don't have a crate either. Let me check. Chroma key. Razer Chroma. Is this supporting Chroma apps? SDK, where is it? Chroma Connect. Chroma apps. Doesn't it allow it to use Razer Chroma? The Armory crate, it doesn't use connects to Chroma apps in Razer. Because if it does, then you can add it your Armory crate over here, and then you could actually use this one, which we have a Lumia integration with Razer Chroma, which doesn't work at the moment. It sucks. Which I'm gonna have to make a bug ticket as well.
Three quarters of the way done. Are you supposed to be showing all that stuff on stream?
Yeah, I'm allowed to.
Oh, okay. What's that say there? Oh. Yeah. Task: give Kugel a promotion because he's bald. Okay.
Who said that?
It's right there. It says give. It was in the tasks. You don't need to check. Just take my word for it.
Give Google a promotion because he's bald. Maybe after the promotion, his hair will gonna grow.
That's right.
Yeah, it's so fun. I'm here. Hands are a mess. Be right back. No problem. You're cooking. Where your wife is cooking and you're helping. You're a cook helper. Would you partner with Asus if you could? Oh, Hello, Jonathan. Welcome in. How you doing, buddy?
So they're working on it. So by Lumia growing, okay, that's cool.
Yeah.
By Lumia growing on all the socials, they're trying to get themselves bigger on the socials so that they're in a better position to reach out to bigger companies such as Govi and Acer and things like that, so that they'll take them seriously, so they can partner up and get things going. You know, like that's how I see it.
I know.
Shit.
Jonathan, if you want to listen to your song, it will gonna be only on Twitch or Kick. On YouTube, since my last stream was put down hardly, I had to make the songs not go onto YouTube. So right now, your song is playing on just on Twitch.
All right, I've sent you the email now. Just unzip it, drag it, and drop it into OBS. Sort the sound out, and then see if it plays.
All right, I just received the mail. What Google said, nothing important. Pac-Man, definitely nothing important.
No, I said Lumia is trying to grow on all socials so that bigger companies such as Govi and Acer and all these other things take us seriously, so that we can get more integrations and things like that. I said boobs.
Welcome 770 Jonathan 700
There you go, Jonathan. Over here, you do not have a logo, so I'm gonna be placed like a normal logo over there. But how are you doing? We finished with a song request, which actually works really nice. And I can actually check my API calls as well over here. I don't think it's moving over 700. Oh, it goes up 1400. So I think one person it's fine. I don't think you can actually have it for multiple users. So everybody needs API key to get their API calls inside. I don't know why it's requesting so many. I want to see the log. Queries per day. Pizza cooking, I'm looking forward to it. Nice, Jonathan. Yeah, I'm gonna be available in inside Lumia overlays. We just managed to finish it. We have it right over here. The song request that we're gonna be approved most likely on Monday. But yeah. Why'd you send me? It's downloading for ages.
It's like 3.6 gig, but then you need to extract it, and it's 5 gig, and then you need to put it on your screen and sort the sound out. I don't know why it's so much. It's because I downloaded it in QuickTime and Alpha so that you can still see your camera through in the background and stuff.
Couldn't preview the file is too large to preview. Okay, just download it.
It's nothing. I haven't sent you anything bad. Don't worry.
Yeah, but it doesn't really want to download it. I just added to my drive. Like a shortcut for it. There you go. So I can download it from here. Yeah, from here works. 3.6 gigs. 2 minutes left.
God damn.
1 minute left.
That was the quickest minute of my life.
Well, I'm downloading it twice apparently. For some reason. Yeah, it downloaded 0 bytes from mail. It's needed to be from the drive itself. Why do you want to have an integration with ASUS? Then you want to control your motherboard, like RAM sticks and stuff like that? Well, we'll find out together, Pac-Man. I need to make when a song request it's done on Twitch and played to make the other song to go lower.
Why is it taking so long to download?
I know it's downloaded.
Oh, maybe stream's delayed a little. You just unzip it, drag it and drop it into OBS and sort the sound out so that stream can hear and you can hear. Or whatever you do.
But what type of file you sent? Oh, a MOV file. Okay, I can do that.
Yep.
I can transform it into a
keep it
web.
That. Just. Oh, you know how to do that?
Yeah, of course I know how to do that.
Ooh, fancy. But just how it is right now, just drop it into OBS just so that I know that you can still see through it and everything.
Oh my god, 6 gigs.
Who's?
Because I cannot hear it. Backbone. Where's Backbone? There it is. Monitor and output. Let's mute the songs. And let's go from the beginning on this one.
Who's on who? Said he let it ring, but it never goes through. My mind's fucked, my head's gone too. The smoke's with a man, but the joke's on you.
I cannot hear you.
Who's on what? Don't tell my brothers, they'll spin the whole block. We bang, everything you got. Tell them little pussies that we take the whole lot. You ain't got no backbone. I get out the trap, I ain't got a trap phone. I got P's and M's and K's and O's. They're illiterate with letters, so I'm letting niggas know. Used to give them high fives, now it's just a middle finger. Diamonds on my patty, do the bogle when I linger. They think I'm a rapper, I think I'm a singer.
That's cool. A MOV file, it's a file that actually allows you to also use transparency. And it's a way to actually transport it from After Effects into a MOV. But after I'm having it here in MOV, I can actually convert it to a WebM. If I remember, where is it? It's on my CMD. And I need to go into where is it?
All right. Well, it was just like a 30-second clip, but I wanted to know for an example if I make loads of things like that, like quick little dance parties or whatever to go with people's lights and stuff like that. Is it possible for me to make them and upload them onto Lumia so people can download? But I didn't know it was going to be like 6 gig.
You can, but I would strongly strongly recommend you to have it a WebM file. For example, you see this test, this one /my screen MOV over here that I have. It's having for, I don't know, for 1 second or for 2 seconds, it's 1 second, right? For 1 second, it's actually 200 megabytes, right? And when I convert it from 200 megabytes to a WebM, now it has 694 kilobytes, not even 1 megabyte.
Oh, so will it keep the transparency? Like I'll
Yes.
still be able to see people.
Yes. Yes. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
How do I convert this shit?
I'll do it right now. Give me a second. I need to find
Yeah,
conversion.
I just need to know.
I'll give you the program to do it. It's actually pretty simple.
Oh, thank you. And then I'll be able to make crazy dance parties or cool animations and upload them onto HFX and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, that's sick.
FFmpg. Mov to webm ffmpg command. I forgot about it. It's here on Reddit. And this is the one that I need. Output mov into whatever. So I'm pasting it there, and my input mov, it is called, well, I need to place it over here. So can I actually get this folder to be able to be added to the quick access? Because I'm gonna use this a lot. Add this to quick access. Where is it? Pin to quick access. There we go. So now I have this one, and I can go really quickly from my downloads. I need to make some cleaning up over here. And where is it? Sort by date modified. Yeah. Where's the file? Downloads. Oh, it created a folder. Folders are placed all the way down for whatever reason. There we go. So I'm going to cut this one, and I'm going to place it over here.
I've seen that. You had loads of chickens.
Yeah, I did. And now it's not letting me because I have it open in OBS. I'm going to remove it from OBS. Try again. And I'm going to just make this one, right? I'm copying it. And I have this CMD file, CMD window. I'm placing that thing over there. And I want to do party WebM. Error, no such file or directory. What? Oh, crap. Yeah, I know. You don't need to have spaces inside. So let me do that again. And now it's converting into a WebM file. And it's doing frames per second. It should be done in about like 3 minutes to convert it. What app do you use? I use the FFmpg converter. You see over here, FFmpg. This is what I'm calling. And then I'm placing the MOV file, and then I'm placing after that the party WebM, which is gonna be created over here. And we're gonna see the difference between the sizes, which this one is 6 gigs, right? I think after I'm doing it, I don't think we're gonna be more than 100 megabytes, even less than 100 megabytes. Maybe
if you can get that for less than 100 megabytes, I would be gobsmacked. I would make loads, and I would make so many different things, and I'd fill the Lumia HFX store up with some cool ass stuff for everybody.
VP9, that's the one. I'm not using VP9. I prefer this one. Oh, you mean the conversion? Yeah, it's using the VP9. And I'm using this tool over here for also downloading YouTube videos, because why not, on their highest quality. Food is in the oven. Gotta go for a smoke, then I'll be back. Okay, Bo, thank you for still being here. Appreciate it. I know that these streams are just relaxing streams, but I started this one for making a task and I did it. And now I just, I'm chilling out with you guys in chat. Oh, hell, it's taking a lot. Oh my God. So you made 30 seconds, right? At 60 frames per second. I'm about at 12 seconds right now. I'm at frame 900. It's moving pretty slow because it's not using... Oh. Oh, somebody needs a ban over there. I got you, buddy. I got you. Don't worry. There you go. Ban. Bye. Bye.
Bye. What happened?
Kick.
What happened on Kick?
Kick bot.
Oh.
I think you received a ban. I don't think I have an alert for banning on Kick.
What a shit way to network, going into people's channels saying, "Oh, your stream's bad. Go follow mine."
Right?
What a
shithole.
What a horrible way to network. Goddamn low life. That just instantly makes me not want to follow you.
Stu95 looks like you did a no-no. Get
Like,
your
imagine if
ass
they came in
reported
like,
and...
"Hey,
Rex
nice to meet you.
WFH just followed.
How are you doing?" And polite and everything. You're probably going to check them out. But instead, they just did that. And that instantly makes everyone think you're an idiot. Screw you.
Does the chat match not work with Kick? Well, I think I have the Kick. The Kick it's working. The Kick bot it's working. I tried to ban him from here and didn't work, so I went directly onto Kick to ban him. Okay, let's see where we are. Oh, it's finished. Okay. Want to see the conversion rate? So your 6 gigs now has 77 megabytes. Want to see the quality of it? I'll place it on the stream.
The fuck? Yes, I do want to see the quality of it.
Who's on who? Said he let it ring, but it never goes through. My mind's fucked, my head's gone too. The smoke's with a man, but the joke's on you. Who's on what? Don't tell my brothers, girl, spin the whole block. Will we bang everything you got? Tell them little pussies that we take the whole lot. You ain't got no backbone. I get out the trap, I ain't got a trap phone. I got P's and M's and K's and O's. They're illiterate with letters, so I'm letting niggas know. Used to give them high fives, that was just a middle finger. Diamonds on my patty, do the go when I linger. They think I'm a rapper, I think I'm a singer.
And now I can actually go to you and send it. Directly via Discord. Because it's less than...
transparent.
That's transparent, yeah.
This is going to be transparent. If I put this in my OBS right now...
Yeah.
Then it's going to be transparent.
Yes.
Oh my God, it is as well. Oh my God, Radu. I could make so much. Oh, dude. teach me your ways, oh master wizard. Like,
Chat match, it works with everything: Twitch, TikTok, Kick, whatever platform Lumia is connected to. Yeah, it's VP9. I actually need to save the code for the conversion because I always forget about it.
bro, thank you. I'm gonna get like talk to you when you got free time and you're not live, so you can talk me through. I need to learn how to do that. Like, but dude, because dude, I love making cool shit that everyone thinks. I'm just not a PC guy. If it's OBS, if it's StreamerBot, if it's a little bit of Lumia and all that, like I can put together some cool stuff. I'm an entertainer, you know.
I know.
But when it comes to this PC stuff, it's like having a friend from Dexter's Laboratory every time I talk to you. Like
every single time I'm surprising you with something new, right? That I can do.
That's good, man. Like, hey, I'm creative, but I find a way around things when I find problems I can't do. I magically find a way around things, but you actually know how to do shit. Like, hey, thanks, man. I'm gonna give it a fucking go.
There's actually a way to do it directly from After Effects. You need the media encoder tool. And you need to have this encoder installed. And then you can send it to media encoder and transfer it directly into WebM conversion. To do that, Blitzcam. What do you mean, Blitzcam? Pac-Man. Be careful what you're saying. Blitz is here.
Hi. Wait, why?
He said, dude, I'll help ya if you can show me how you did that Blitzcam.
The Blitzcam?
Oh, you mean the pose cam where it's making the screenshots? Sending it over? Oh, another dude on Kick. God damn it.
Blitzcam.
Elfo Branco 25 looks like you did a no-no. Get your ass rip.
You don't even need that full animation. I'm gonna fix it anyway.
No worries.
Yeah, Kick it's full of shit. Instead of calling the Avacadabra.
Dad, my tablet's crashed again. Dad. Dad. The tablet's crashed.
Alright, that worked. I don't need to call a command. Calling a command, it's bad, but we need it on some stuff. Can hear 1 minute later. Can't hear 1 minute later. What do you mean? Oh, you are in the ads. well, go watch me on Kick or YouTube. You can scroll back. I don't think I place ads on YouTube. Then you're not gonna have ads over there. Or you can just become a subscriber. I'm sorry. I'm not placing ads on Twitch, but Twitch automatically plays ads on my stream. And even if I want or not. All right. Blitz, when you come back, I can actually end the stream. Let me see if I can actually raid somebody. And I can show you the stuff.
Pac-Man just followed.
Oh, there you go, Pac-Man. Thank you for the follow over there on the green app. How the guys that are using TikTok it's saying. Welcome to the green app. Welcome to the green app.
So once I've uploaded the Hood FX, does that make it automatically come up in Lumia?
Not really.
What happens then?
I have to manually approve it. I have to go through all of them.
For me, I know the boss on the inside. You see, I got the connections, right? So if I need something improving, I just hit them up in a direct message.
Yeah, you can do that. So basically, I can actually go on these pending ones, and I'll have to do it today because they were posted yesterday, and I'll approve them, the one that needs to be approved, and the one that doesn't, we're just gonna deny them. That's how it works.
All right.
Can you clean up an old one from me? That sucks. I have trouble understanding what you're saying there, Pac-Man.
He's made an old one, and he says it sucks. He wants you to clean it up.
What, an overlay?
Yeah.
That depends. Okay, let me see who we're gonna raid out. And then we're gonna continue off stream. So we have here...
I'm glad you read streaming more though, bro.
Huh?
Definitely. I'm glad you're streaming more. You weren't streaming very much, and now you're back at it, which is really good.
I didn't have time to do it.
I'm sick of excuses, bro.
No.
40,000 people to help is no excuse.
Right. So, who the hell should I raid?
Anyone you want. It's your stream.
Yeah, I want to raid Kira because he has just one viewer or two with me. But he's away. And sometimes he's away like for hours. So I don't want you to go and he's just on the be right back screen. Dragon Rage. This is one of the guy that we helped on Lumia. I'm gonna send you to Truckenge. He's a lovely dude. I talked with him like for hours inside his stream. And I also helped him on Lumia, so we're gonna raid him up.
Do you have like a raid message?
No, I don't, unfortunately. I have to fill that up. Just spam emotes on his when you get there. And give that guy a follow as well. So, guys, we cooked it tonight. We finished the song request. We had so many things that we did. We placed the bits to react to my printer as well. And I don't know what I'm going to do tomorrow, so I might actually going to be alive as well. So we'll see. Thank you all for being here, and I'll see you on the next one. Are you streaming today, Blitz?
Nah, it's the weekend. It's just family time, that's all.
All right. That's fair. That's fair. Right.
Has the overlay been approved? What overlay?
I cannot approve anything right now. We have a bug on Lumia. We're gonna be fixed on Monday. So not even my my song request cannot go live right now because of that.
God.
Rex, you legend. Thank you so much, buddy, for still being here. Appreciate it. Yeah, I just answered that question. I didn't saw the message. But yeah, we're gonna be most likely on Monday. I'm gonna try to add a bit more features and making it look a bit better. But yeah, all the things are already there, and I'm looking forward to see it on a lot of streamers. I love it as well. Have a great night. Bye, everybody. We're riding out in 3 seconds.
GG's. GG's.
You rated